Okay, good morning. Today is the 25th August, Singapore time, 11 a.m. So, today I thought I would talk about the euro dollar wave count, just an update to the wave count. We were looking for the sells, and we got the sells. If you check it on TradingView, you see that this move has broken the low. It's now below $1. It's just hovering around it anyway. So what's the wave count for this at the moment? Wave count for this at the moment is still first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is the current wave count. There we have that. Just align everything. Now this one is this. Okay, so we have something like let's go make it cycle actually. Cycle, okay. So this is what we have at the moment. 1, 2, 3. So this third wave is like the famous Elliott third wave, right? So while the third wave is in progress, we always try to stay with the downtrend. One thing that you can do when you see an Elliott third wave, and I tell you for free, is the moving average is important. It's very, very useful. So you can actually put this on like so. It will also help you time the waves, right? Because when price was here at $1, but it would not have been a good idea to sell here. But most people would be induced to sell. But at that moment in time, if we actually did sell, there's a big drawdown. It would have gone up. So I mentioned that you do need to wait for this to come back up, touch the moving average. When it comes back below, you can sell it. All right. Well, one thing you can do is also pull a trend line like this. All right. You can also do that. And so you know that this is the first, second, third wave. And third waves, moving averages are quite important. The reason for that is because you have something like, you see how price action comes here, then it goes back below. The price action comes here, it goes back below. Price action breaks, moving average goes back below. And then when it goes up below, it drops. It drops and breaks the previous low. So price action breaks the previous low. See that? Breaks the previous low. Not well, not the, almost broke the previous low. Somewhere at the close of this candle over here. Then it pulls back, then it drops again. So at this point in time, it was important to wait for the pullback. In terms of sell, here is where you can actually sell it again. All right. And then if you can actually add to your trades, you could add here as well. Then of course the previous low can take some more. So that is the count for. That is the count for euro dollar, as well as some ideas on how to time your entries. So right now, what we can do is this third wave is still in progress. Still in progress. But what we need to do right now is we need to wait for another pullback, which is something like this. Something like this. And we're gonna do this. Okay, so this allows you to prevent drawdown, right? Because let's just say if you entered here, then you got into this big drawdown. So what you want right now is to wait for a wave like this, which is A, B, C, and then it's a continuation of the third wave to the downside. So once you get something like this, we don't know when this will happen, but when it happens, because this could be here, it could happen even lower, right? But when it happens, that's when you will be most interested, right? Don't sell it right here, all right? We don't sell it right here. We don't sell it right here. And you're gonna wait for this first. So just wait for consolidation here before you even think about selling it again. Okay, the move has already been made. Uh, so this is how to trade the euro dollar, and I hope it's useful. Okay, that's it. I got to stop recording.